Yay.
Torch it! Torch it!
Uh-oh.
You guys are out.
Oh!
Just throw it in there, Johnny.
What is it? No spiders.
Sharon.
You just gotta give him the shoe. Brandon, can you get in there with it?
Don't do it. Well, famous last word.
Look at my shoe!
Nice one, Aaron. Can I get mine medium? Does it taste like a gas station?
Oh, you ate it?
There you go. Watch that.
Robbie would have made a good Indian.
Chief toasts a lot. Okay. Still filming it? Blow it out.
That one looks pretty good.
Pretty serious.
I know. Okay, cool. You want one?
I need another one of these.
Nicely toasted. Nicely. Brandon, that's a s'more stick. That's my s'more stick.
Still eat this?
Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the marshmallows because you're not going to get any marshmallows for some time.
That's what I just came back for.
What? Oh, marshmallows?
Yeah.
Well, Brandon just threw the stick in the...
Another stick. No problem. I'll get it back.
No, it's okay. I'm just kidding. I don't need it.
What are you doing?
Oh, what happened?
What a weird story.
It's going to stay lit for some time, actually. I mean, it may not be huge, but there's a lot of wood in there that could burn for some time. Right, little Biatch?